Vowel sounds of American English. How do you move your lips? Let's start with a question. How many vowel sounds are there in American English? Are there 5 or 6 or more? Some people might answer 5, A, E, I, O, and U. But actually there are many more vowel sounds than that. American English has 14 vowel sounds. So how do we produce all these different vowels? One thing that makes a big difference in vowel sounds is the way you move your lips when you say them. Sometimes your lips are rounded, and sometimes they're not. They may be relaxed, open, or spread a bit wide. Let's practice some vowel sounds that use rounded lips. The first sound is oo, as in two. Your lips should be very rounded when you say this sound. Look in a mirror as you say these words to check your lip shape. Two, blue, June, fruit, truthful. The next sound is as in look. Your lips should be somewhat rounded when you say this sound, but not as much as for oo. Look in a mirror as you say these words. Look, book, full, should, childhood. The next sound is O, as in go. When you say this sound, your lips change their rounding a little bit. They start out a little rounded, but at the end of the sound they're very rounded. Look in a mirror as you say these words. Go, over, stone, boat, oppose. The next sound is O, as in saw. Your lips are only slightly rounded when you say this sound, less than for oo or Actually, many people don't round their lips at all when they say the words in this group, so you can do it either way. Look in a mirror as you say these words. Saw, caught, walk, daughter, war. Now let's practice some words that are pronounced with your lips not rounded. The first of these is E, as in see. Your lips are not rounded at all when you say this sound, and they may even be stretched a little bit wide. Look in a mirror as you say these words. See, treat, even, eager, compete. Another vowel pronounced with unrounded lips is I, as in fit. Your lips are not rounded at all when you say this sound, similar to the shape for E. Look in a mirror as you say these words. Fit, print, interesting, picnic, picture. The next sound is A, as in say. When you say this sound, your lips are a little more open than when you said E, but they're not round at all. Look in a mirror as you say these words. Say, ate, nation, train, afraid. The next sound is as in set. When you say this sound, your lips are a little more open than when you say E, but they're not rounded. Look in a mirror as you say these words. Set, every, fresh, elephant, remember. The next sound is ah, as in mat. When you say this sound, your lips are fairly wide open. Look in a mirror as you say these words. Mat, apple, after, track, establish. The next sound is as in cup. When you say this sound, your lips are in a neutral, relaxed position, and they're not rounded. Look in a mirror as you say these words. Cup, ugly, under, mother, sunny. The next sound is ah, as in car. When you say this sound, your mouth is open fairly wide. Look in a mirror as you say these words. Car, hot, bother, quality, problem. The next sound is I, as in bite. When you say this sound, your mouth is open somewhat wide. Your tongue changes position during this sound, but your lips stay about the same. Look in a mirror as you say these words. Bite, line, child, riding, bicycle. Next, there are two sounds that have mixed lip rounding. The shape of your lips changes during the sound. The first of these is oi, as in boy. When you say this sound, your lips start out rounded, but at the end they're not rounded at all. Look in a mirror as you say these words. Boy, oyster, coins, noise, employ. The last sound is ow, as in now. When you say this sound, your lips also change their rounding. They start out open and not rounded, but at the end they're rounded. Look in a mirror as you say these words. Now, outside, town, proud, allow. Now you know how to move your lips when you say the vowel sounds of English. Thank you for practicing with us.